peace and love. I wish you peace and love.
What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Kayla, and this is the Soul Trip. Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm so excited. Today we are making elderberry syrup from dried elderberries. If you all have been following along, you know my boyfriend and I are doing 30 days of a water fast. Yes, 30 days of a water fast, but we will be consuming our elderberry syrup every day and our herbal teas. And if you're interested to follow that journey, I will link the playlist up here. But anyways, yes, today we are making elderberry syrup from dried elderberries. So I'll show you all the quick and basic way to do that. We're approaching winter. There's a lot going on outside, to say the least. So if you're not taking elderberry, I highly suggest and recommend that you start. So for today's ingredients, I do like to use spring water. This is an Alkaline approved, Dr. Sebi approved recipe. I am also using 1 cup of dried elderberries, 1/4 cup of dried ginger, just for a warmer taste. The ginger is optional. 3 cups of the spring water, and some agave to taste. So I like to next bring these ingredients together, minus the agave or whatever sweetener of choice. You are going to save that for an end, but what you're going to do is bring these ingredients together at high heat, and as soon as you begin to get a slight boil, you will lower your settings and simmer covered for about 30 to 45 minutes. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and let that simmer, and I'll holla back at you all in just a sec when it's all done. Okay, guys, so once you've let that mixture set and simmer, you're going to take it off the pot, and this part is just really easy. At this point, we're pretty much done making elderberry syrup. So what we do is we go ahead and drain it. So I like to drain it into a measuring cup versus the mason jar that I'll be using. That way, any extra particles I can make sure don't go into the actual mason jar. But when you're draining, something important to note, you want to make sure you get all of the juice out of those berries. So I will take my spoon and squeeze any excess juice into the cup. So that's what you do. All right, and there you have it, quick and easy, your elderberry syrup. Thank me later. Go ahead and make you some right now. Of course, there's so much going on out in this crazy world, so you need some elderberry syrup. And if you like videos like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts below, and if you are not a part of my soul tribe, click that button right now. Join the soul tribe. What are you waiting for? Like, come on, come join the soul tribe, and stay tuned for the next lovely things. Peace and love.